In this video, I will show you how to remove the fuel tank. Unscrew the 8 mm clamp from the fuel filler hose and disconnect the vent pipe by pressing the green tabs. Some models have this hose, which I will talk about later in the video. You will also need to disconnect these two pipes as well. Most of the times this canister goes bad, causing fuel filling problems. Coming at the front of vehicle, this is the purge line connected to the engine. And this line goes directly to our fuel pressure regulator. Be careful with this line as it has fuel inside it. No smoking or electronics should be used here. This here is the fuel pressure sensor, which allows the ECM to determine the pressure. P018C usually refers to this sensor. Gently remove the hoses as you don't want to break the canister. Push the red tab upwards and pull out the hose. Watch the video till the end so you avoid breaking stuff. And I will show you how to remove the upper hose from the fuel tank. Pull the blue tabs outward and pull the purge pipe out. Be careful of the fuel pressure. Make sure to use protection glasses. Take safety precautions. This is the upper hose which we talked about at the beginning of the video. You have to squeeze it from the tip and pull it outwards. Do not lower the fuel tank because the line is above the frame. It will break the fuel tank if you lower it without pulling the pipe. Disconnect the two connectors and then you are free to remove the fuel tank. If this video is helpful, then do like the video, subscribe to my channel. If you own a GMC or Chevy, as my content is mostly about it. Turn this round black lock anti-clockwise to remove the fuel pump module.